Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to unbox first lot of my cube orders. I've got few cubes from AliExpress. So let's see what all cubes I've got. So okay, so I think this is square 2. So it is next version of square 1. Okay, what else? Yes, this is basically wormhole version 3. So you can see it, there is a piece, similar color piece inside the hole. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not, but so I think one of the side will move the inner pieces. So I think this side will move the inner pieces. So all other sides will not move the inner pieces. I suppose I have to figure it out how it works. So this is a very interesting puzzle, wormhole version 3. I think it is version okay, I think it is version 1 if I am not wrong. Okay, so these are puppet cubes from Moyu, puppet cube 1 and 2. So I've heard a lot about puppet cubes, and it seems very tough because of the inner cubes. So I also have to figure it out how to solve this, because it locks if we move okay, so I'll have to figure it out how to solve this, because I think it gets locked. So these are puppet cubes. Okay, what next? Okay, next is a big Okay, so there are 3 cubes. Let's see which all are there. So I think this is picture 4 corner from Landland. So it moves like this. Okay. Okay, so this is picture 4 corner. What else is that? Okay, this is Clover pyramid cube from Landland. So it's a Clover version. You can see quality is good, and it is, I think, shape shifter. So I'll have to figure it out how it moves. Okay, okay, so this is Clover pyramid. What else? Okay, this is Clover Octahedron cube from Landland. So I wanted to buy Clover series, so this is also very interesting puzzle. Okay, so it moves from here, and then we can move it from here. So okay, it will be a fun to solve this. Okay, so this is first round of my shipment from AliExpress. So I'm expecting another maybe around this is what 7, another 6 odd cubes from AliExpress. So another unboxing will be within a couple of days. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.